Hi guys, this is Erica from Gokce Capital. Now before I begin, be sure to click subscribe and turn on the notification bell. When Matthew and Megan Kirchner bought their 83-acre farm in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, they could hardly imagine the adventure they were about to embark upon. For their new property was taking part in a revolutionary experiment designed to restore the portion of Big Spring Run Creek that ran through the property. This experiment was seeking to undo years of damage that a series of historic mill dams had wrought on the ecology of the site, and to ultimately finally stop the seemingly unrelenting erosion of the stream banks. The end result was a win for both the native Big Spring Run wetlands and the Kirchners. But more on that later. For projects such as these are exactly what the Wetlands Reserve Easement program is all about. This program is designed to marry the needs of landowners, farmers, and the natural ecosystem in order to protect our nation's waters, prevent flooding, enhance waterfowl habitat, and provide financial assistance to landowners. So if you are curious about how you can make use of the Wetlands Reserve Program, here are the top things you should know. Number 1, the Wetland Reserve Easement Program is run by the USDA Natural Resources Conservation Service. It is one branch of the Agricultural Conservation Easement Program, and it is designed to provide technical and financial assistance to landowners so that they may protect and enhance wetlands on their property. Number 2, the purpose of the program is to reduce farming on wetlands and return these areas back to their natural state. If you sign up for a Wetlands Reserve easement, the government will pay you a one-time fee based on the appraised value of the land in question, and in exchange, you'll sign and record an easement agreement limiting development and farming on the areas covered by the agreement. And I will just note here that you do not have to enroll your entire farm. In fact, most participants only enroll a portion of their property based on what works best for them and where the natural wetlands are located. Number 3, there are 2 enrollment options. The first is a permanent easement, which is a conservation easement in perpetuity. In exchange for a permanent easement, the USDA will pay 100% of the easement value and up to 100% of the restoration costs. So not only do you not need to cover any of the cost of restoring your wetlands, but you will also be paid the full value of the land in question. However, if an easement in perpetuity sounds like a little bit too much for you, there is also a 30-year easement option. And as the name suggests, this easement will expire after 30 years. In this way, you can keep the option open to sell or gift the land at the end of 30 years. Now, because this option is not as long as the permanent easement, the USDA will only pay up to 75% of the easement value and up to 75% of the restoration costs. Number 4, there are a few eligibility requirements. So not every parcel of land can be enrolled in the easement program. There are income limitations, and you can go to the USDA website to take a look at the current income cap. You must also hold clear title to the property or otherwise be able to enter into a legally binding agreement. The land itself must be farmed or converted wetland that can be successfully and cost-effectively restored. And finally, the USDA NRCS will prioritize applications based on the easement's potential for protecting and enhancing habitat for migratory birds and other wildlife. But if you would like to learn more about the program and whether you are eligible, you can contact your local USDA NRCS office for more information. And finally, number 5, you can continue to use and lease easement lands for undeveloped recreation and hunting. In fact, many people who enroll their lands in the Wetlands Reserve Easement Program do so because they enjoy hunting and they are looking forward to the increase in waterfowl and fish species that a restored wetlands brings. But as we've mentioned earlier, while you can use the property for recreational purposes, you cannot farm or develop the land that is covered by the easement. But let's return to Matthew and Megan Kirchner. Fed up with the ongoing erosion and flooding of the Big Spring banks, the previous owner, Joseph Sweeney, wanted to try something new. And he agreed to work with 2 professors out of the Franklin and Marshall College to undertake a complete restoration of the river, at least where it ran through his property. The two professors determined that the current flooding and erosion had its roots in the 18th century, when the river was punctuated by thousands of dams built by the mills of the region to power their operations. These dams created a series of mill ponds which would collect sediment as the river flow slowed. And over time, as the mills fell into disrepair, the dams began to break, flooding the stream with mill pond sediment, which coated the bottom of the river with a layer of mud almost 20 feet thick. In order to return the stream to its original condition, 20,000 tons of legacy sediment were removed from the valley bottom, and a new channel system was excavated. The exposed soils were immediately seeded with temporary cover crops to keep the soil in place. And eventually, wetland plants, along with a riparian buffer, were established, ultimately restoring 4.5 acres of wetlands to the river valley bottom. Now, 9 years after the restoration, Matthew and Megan are thrilled with the result. The habitat is home to ducks and geese, as well as rare salamanders and pollinators, and their children love exploring and playing in the healthy stream. In this way, wetlands restoration not only restores habitats, but also helps farmers and landowners resolve water quality and flooding issues, increase pollinator fish and fowl species, and provide recreational habitat for their families. And with the financial assistance from the Wetlands Reserve Easement Program, you too can restore your own backyard wetlands. So do you have any stories about wetland restoration? Let us know in the comments. Did you like this video? You're going to love our Gokce Land Due Diligence program. We'll make you a land due diligence expert in just 7 days. Check it out at gokcecapital.com/glad. And while you're at our website, don't forget to explore our $1 down listings at gokcecapital.com/listings. Finally, don't hesitate to reach out. You can email, call, or text, and we will respond as soon as possible. So thank you for listening, and more to come.